OSU Girl here with the video review. I'm here to review this bell over here. So if you have trained your dog previously on the bell, that's great. So they would ring this to go outside. But if your dog has never used a bell, especially if it's a puppy, this bell training, it's pretty easy. One thing that I learned was you put like a little bit of peanut butter there or a little treat behind, so that then the dog will smell it what's this? Oh, good girl, ring the bell. Good girl. Let's go outside. So bell training is very easy. You know, I've actually done it with my dogs for 11 years now. Bailey just turned 11, my oldest. So I did it because sometimes, especially when they're a puppy, they can't talk to you. They don't speak. They don't really know how to let you know they need to go outside. So with this, I find it very easy. Now, the best thing about this particular bell, it does have 2 different snaps. So there's an easy removal for it here if I wanted to take it totally off. And then you can see there's 2 snaps there. So the other great thing about this one actually is look how low that one hangs. So some of my bells I've had before, you know, they really don't hang low enough. So while I have Labradors, you know, and they're very tall, this, you know, could be very easily used for something that's a smaller dog like a Yorkie. Hope you enjoy yours.